Hey everybody, welcome to Ellis Mowers. I appreciate y'all watching as always. Remember, at the beginning of every video, I'll list my name or my website, email. So my website's ellismowers.com. My email is ellis@ellismowers.com. You can hit me up on Instagram and Facebook as well. If you have any questions about any video that you see on the channel or any repair that you see in this video that I may not clarify in filming. So today we're going to work on a Toro recycler. This is a Personal Pace. It is a customer's mower. Same customer as that Generac generator that we finished up on that had the low oil switch. This one is running, but the self-propel is not working. I can hear that the engine is loading up when it's trying to pull the self-propel, which makes me think that I might have some stripped gears in the wheel, or I have a seized up pulley somewhere. So we'll go ahead and get started. I hope I don't have to put a transmission in it. They said that even if it is a transmission, they want to fix this mower. So we will see. I kind of understand. I told them that it'd probably be a couple $100 for me to put a transmission in this thing, but you know, these things sell for like 400 and some change new nowadays. So they, I can see their perspective in wanting to do that. I'll respect that if we end up having to cross that bridge. But let's go ahead and give you an overview of this and kind of show you what I'm hearing in terms of the issue, and we'll go ahead and start seeing what we need to do to get it fixed. So here's that generator I talked about. Again, the low oil switch was just bad. It's just a Generac. Made pretty well. I didn't realize they were made in Japan. The engines are. It's pretty cool. This was definitely not. This is one of those Chinesium engines that's branded Toro. It's missing the stickers and stuff on it. But it's, like I said, it's a Personal Pace. I was just instructed to get the self-propel working again. Air filter's okay. Could be better, could be worse. Again, I'm not responsible for that. I'm just responsible for getting the self-propel going. Don't you love this? We're already struggling on this repair. How about that? Yeah, pre-filter. Yeah, maybe that's my instructions to get this thing out. Anyways, let me clean the I might just ditch the pre-filter on this thing. Pre-filters are a little pointless in my opinion, but whatevs, right? Let's try this again. Maybe not. I show this on camera because I don't want to show this as all like peaches and roses and like if you get into this you're going to make a lot of money and you're not going to have any problems. Well, it's not like that. Let me get this push mower out here. I'll show you exactly what it is doing, and then we're gonna tear open the bottom of it, see what we can find self-propel wise. See if she'll start up for us. Should. working when it came home, and I've done nothing to it. Well, I'm going to take it up and down the driveway. I'll be back, see what happens with this thing. Alright guys, so I took this thing up and down the driveway, and it pulled great the whole time. So I'm wondering if there was just like a little obstruction or something that may have gotten in the self-propel. What I am going to do while it is here, because I do not want it to come back, is I'm going to lay it on its side. We're going to check and make sure everything is good up under the mower. Remember, exhaust side down always. See, like I don't see anything ridiculous back here or even in the front here. The belt doesn't look bad. What I am going to do is get couple of 3/8. I'll show you where they're at. Take them off back here, right here, and right there. I'm going to take those off. That should release this cover, and then we're just going to make sure there's no grass or anything inside it. I think we'll be all right. All right, here we go. Let's see if we got a bunch of debris in here. No, not really. Huh. The belt's not in the best shape, but it's not bad. It's lining up. It wants to stay on the pulley, so I mean, huh. Man, I hadn't do anything to this. Magic. Sometimes this happens, y'all. But I don't see anything. I mean, personal pace works. Belt's tight. I mean, what more can you ask for? Wheels spin freely. Everything looks good. Why even tear it apart if it ain't working? I'll take it for a few laps up and down the driveway. My driveway is like 250, 300 feet long. I mean, I got plenty of real estate on the driveway to just cruise around with, and I might even take it out in some grass to make sure. But I mean, it wasn't working when I first got it here. Now it's working. So let me put this cover back on and we'll wrap this up if I don't have any issues with it. Well, I took 3 passes up my pine straw laden driveway despite having half a dozen trees taken out here recently. Wind comes this way. Anyways, I couldn't find anything wrong with it. I took the pre-cleaner out, and I mean, when I got it home that night, I think I checked the belt alignment, and the belt seemed like it was okay. So I wonder if it just hit a hard spot in the I don't feel the transmission lurching or anything. Everything feels good on it. It feels like a great, lawnmower that's working exactly like it should. So, well, this isn't much of a video, is it? But goes to show you, I try and film as much as I can because I don't know whatever I might find with something, and sometimes I don't find anything. Like I said, when I got this thing home that night, it would not, and while I was at his house, it would not run, or the self-propel would not work. Now it does. Why? I don't know. It just does. And, you know, we looked in there, we couldn't find really anything wrong with it. The belt's a little worn, but it's still got plenty of life left on it, and it has plenty of pull as well. And I can feel that I have a little bit of extra in the self-propel engagement, so it shows me that it's not stretched either. So we'll just leave this one be. I've already tested it and done everything that I know to do to try and make it not work, and it seems like it's working just fine now. So I don't know if I want to take it on some steep hills and see if it'll mess itself up then or what, but I think it just might have been a fluke, honestly, because I did nothing to it and it healed itself. So I appreciate y'all watching. As always, again, sometimes there's not much to it, and I don't have winter content like some of my northern friends with snowblowers, so I've got to supplement something for the winter, and sometimes it's just a boring little video saying I thought there was something wrong, and there really isn't. So I hope y'all aren't too disappointed by it. But thank y'all again for watching. Again, you can reach out to me at Ellis at ellismowers.com is my email. Website is ellismowers.com, Instagram, Facebook, comment here on YouTube. I do my best to answer as much as I can. Can't get to everybody all the time, but if I think I can help you out, then I will. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.